So I'm not lie with you. Come in here, sir. Turn up right here, sir. I'm kind of down. See there? This is how see the water market. See, it's the rain and the drone.
Yeah.
It made it sleep. See there?
The farmer, yeah.
Pier mud.
Yeah.
See there?
So you say I have to start back from scratch now,
I'm going
mommy?
to start back all over again, my friend.
Oh, Lord.
I'm not if I'm not work. I'm 65 years old.
You're 65?
Yeah.
Go on, step in.
I'm work again. Come on, sir. Come. Come. This is no joke thing. You can't find that in my pot for cooking now. Come. Because yes, so the water enter from first now. When you come and see the water, they come in. I try to throw some sitting in this to save. You have to run left it. Watch it. I pay more this, you know. Watch it. My granddaughter room that.
Mommy, you put a dollar figure to the damage?
No, I can't even put no dollar figure to it right now, but millions.
Yeah, millions.
I'm not telling lies, see God up heaven there. I not exaggerate for nothing.
Yeah.
Because my TV alone was a 65 inch, $170,000 I pay for it.
I have a throw it where?
Now, see it out there, so I'll show you it when I'm done. 65 inch. Not to mention, see, let me just buy that fridge 4 months ago, 200,000. Because the one we didn't have before, the lightning in a barrel, strike and mash up it. And I just buy this not even 4 months ago and see it there.